Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create moody dark photos in Snapseed. And here's how it's done. Launch Snapseed and open the photo you want to edit by tapping the plus icon and selecting your image. Tap on Tools, select Tune Image and reduce the brightness to make the photo darker. Adjust the contrast slider to enhance the difference between light and dark areas. This will make the shadows more intense and highlight the dark mood. Still in Tune Image, lower the highlights to minimize the bright areas, giving the photo a more subdued and atmospheric feel. Adjust the shadow slider to bring out more details in the dark areas. Tap on Tools and select Vignette to add a soft darkened border around the image. Increase the inner slider to darken the edges, focusing attention on the center of the photo. For more precise control, use the Curves tool. Under Tools, pull the curve downward slightly to deepen the overall tones in the photo, enhancing the dark and moody atmosphere. Once you're happy with the dark and moody look, tap Check to apply the changes. Tap Export to save or share your photo. That's everything you need to know about how to create moody dark photos in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.